So today we're gonna see how to back up our WordPress website on Google Drive. This over here is your WordPress dashboard. In order to go to the backup panel, you will have to come down to here, the tools section. In here, click on export. This is the field area. Now, as you can see, read over here, create an XML file. You need to do this. Click on export, and this is the free option. That is the best part. Start export. As in, when you click on start export, select all content, come down, download export file, and that is your backup file created. Next, what you need to do is go to a backup platform like Google Drive, and here in upload the backup file. I have already got a backup folder created over here. As you can see, I uploaded the file. So it's best to have a periodic check of backup done of your website, so as to be rest assured that you have all your files on the website. Thank you. This was for the backup of our WordPress website. As for the next tutorials, wait for the videos. Thank you.